There is something quietly magical about Wednesday morning. Not rushed like Monday, not heavy like Friday. Just balance, right in the middle of the week, when the world seems to take a breath. And if you slow down enough, you can feel it. That is what you're missing out on, my friend. Well, I would like to welcome you to City Vibe Diaries. Today, we are stepping away from the fast city life into a slow suburb close to Avondale here in Auckland. Wow, so calm. How can you feel that? Slowly breeze moving across your body. Something beautiful and simple. Sunny Wednesday morning. The sun is right up there. So beautiful. The sun has just climbed high enough to warm the air, but not too high to burn it. It's that perfect golden light, the kind that makes everything look like it belongs to a memory. The leaves shimmer gently above, dancing with the breeze, like they're whispering secrets to each other. You can hear it if you pause. A soft rustle, not quite rhythm, nature speaking in its own language. The breeze is here, not strong, not loud, just enough to remind you that the air is alive. God is here. It brushes past your skin, cool, refreshing, like a gentle tap, saying, hey, slow down. And for a moment, everything inside you listens. Your shoulders drop, your breath deepens, your thoughts soften, because peace isn't something you chase, it's something you feel when you finally stop running. I'm standing now under a tree, and then the shade, the kind only trees can give. Natural, comforting, alive. Standing under these trees feels like stepping into a different world. The sunlight filters through the branches in delicate pattern, like nature painting slowly across the ground. It's not just shade, it's shelter, it's a pause. It's a reminder that even in a busy city, there are places that still breathe. Listen closely. No, really, listen, just listen. Birds calling out from branch to branch, leaves brushing against each other. Even the silence here has texture. It's not empty, it's full of life, full of movement, full of presence. And in that presence, you begin to feel grounded again. Sunlight and shadow, warmth and coolness, movement and stillness. It's almost like nature is showing us balance without saying a word. You step into the sunlight, it warms you. You step back into the shade, it calms you. And everywhere between the two, you find your center. Walking here isn't about getting somewhere, it's about being somewhere. Each step feels lighter, more intentional, more connected. You notice things you normally miss. The curve of a branch, the texture of tree bark, the way sunlight hits the ground, just right. And suddenly, you not just walking through a park, you are experiencing it. It's easy to overlook the small things, but today they stand out. A single leaf drifting down slowly, a patch of grass glowing under the sun, a tiny flower growing where no one expected it. These aren't just details, they are a reminder that beauty doesn't always need to be big. Sometimes it's quiet, it's subtle, sometimes it's right in front of you, waiting for you to notice. There's something about morning like this that resets your mind, not in a dramatic way, but gently, like clearing a fog. A stress you carried earlier, it doesn't feel as heavy. The thoughts that are racing, they slow down. And for a moment, you're not thinking about everything you have to do. You're just here, existing, breathing, living. Wow. There's a question that quietly appears in moments like this. When was the last time you truly slowed down? Not scrolling, not multitasking, not thinking about what's next, just being. Because mornings like this remind us that life isn't only about movement, it's also about stillness. It's breeze, it's soft, it's consistent, almost rhythmic, like a heartbeat. It moves through the trees, across your face, through your thoughts, and it feels like everything is in sync. The air, the light, the movement. Wow, God is good. Unshaken, unrushed. He is strong. You need to be steadfast. God bless you, everybody.